What the fuck is happening? Something's going on over at Konami, folks, and none of it is good. It seems as though Hideo Kojima will be leaving Konami after he finishes developing The Phantom Pain. It all began with the release of a new executive appointments announcement, one which no longer listed Hideo Kojima as an executive officer. Then people began to notice that all of the Metal Gear related advertisement materials from all websites and social media no longer feature the Kojima Productions logo and no longer feature the tagline "A Hideo Kojima Game." Then Kojima starts notifying people that there's a new official Twitter for the Metal Gear series at MetalGear_EN. Finally, what was once known as Kojima Productions LA has been changed to Konami Los Angeles Studio. Naturally, major news outlets have reached out to Konami and Kojima for answers, and some consulted insider sources for confirmation. According to GameSpot and what they've learned from their sources, a power struggle between Kojima Productions and Konami has forced the publisher to make drastic changes, resulting in some sort of fallout between the two entities. The result is that senior staff and Kojima Productions in general are being restricted access to corporate internet, emails, and phones. Furthermore, key developers like Hideo Kojima will now have limited opportunities to lend their appearance to promote upcoming games like Metal Gear Solid 5: The Phantom Pain. The game will still be in development, but Kojima and senior staff are all working as contractors now, not permanent employees. Once the game is finished, management at the studio will be disbanded, and Kojima and staff will leave Konami. Their contract ends in December, according to GameSpot's source. Kojima isn't demotivated in delivering the best game possible despite all this, however, as GameSpot's source stated that in a meeting, Kojima explained to the team that they have to stick as one and make a good game for all the fans. When Konami was asked for a statement by multiple websites, their reply was simply, "Konami Digital Entertainment, including Mr. Kojima, will continue to develop and support Metal Gear products. Please look forward to future announcements." And that's all we know so far, folks, but I'll keep you guys updated. Also, stay tuned for a video on my thoughts on what's happening. I'm still trying to process all this. Let us know in the comments below your thoughts and theories pertaining to this matter and the future of the Metal Gear franchise, and subscribe to Young Yeah for all things gaming. I'll see you guys next time. Young out!